Hey everybody, before we get to this video, give me just a quick second to talk to you about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with over 17,000 classes in a huge range of different topics, from business, entrepreneurship, to film or video, creative writing, directing, practical skills like making things with your hands, and many more. With over 17,000 classes, you could go on and on and on and on and on and learn all there is to know in all of humanity. It's only $10 a month, which is a fantastic deal considering the amount of accessible learning on the table. In particular, I found some of the Adobe After Effects classes to help me improve my video editing skills to be quite interesting. I sat through a couple of them and I thought they were well taught and visually very easy to follow along. Since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 500 people to sign up using my special link in the description will get 2 months free trial, my treat to you, Skillshare.com. Use that link. Thank you for your time. Now enjoy this video.